Welcome to the in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first get the Ampere application from the Play Store. So now we should get this application. Let's just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app. Here click yes, I agree. Pick close. Here click to OK in the left down corner, and now we can see here the information about our device temperature. In my case, that's 28.6 degrees. Also here we can find just another information about our device battery, like the level, health, capacity, and more other info like the Android version and device model. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.